Hi everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to show how to make easy Taco Bell Copycat Crunchwrap Supreme at home. This Copycat Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme are easy, super crispy, delicious and loaded with taco meat, nacho cheese, sour cream, lettuce and tomato, all wrapped inside a flour tortilla. There is a corn tortilla inside hidden that gives it that crunch we all love. For the recipe, we need 1 pound of minced meat. Place a large skillet over medium heat, and once it's hot, you can add the ground beef, and then you can break it up and brown it until there is no pink left. Drain off any excess grease or liquid. Add 1/3 cup of salsa and give it a mix. Onion 1 chopped into small pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Salt to your taste, and you can add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. Cook until most of the liquid has evaporated and make sure the mixture is not dry. Finally, you can add some chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. And then now you can turn off the heat and let it cool for some time. Our meat filling is ready. You can use any cheese of your choice. I'm using some cheddar cheese and Mexican cheese and sliced cheeses and then some Taco Bell nacho cheese. We need a hot sauce, Tostadas, jalapenos, chopped tomatoes, some shredded lettuce, sour cream. We need a 6-inch 4 small tortillas, and we need flour tortillas burrito size, large 1 4. Place one of the burrito size large tortilla. In the center you can add little hot sauce of your choice, and you can add the beef mixture. Add some nacho cheese on top. Now you can place a Tostadas shell on top of the nacho cheese sauce and then spread sour cream on the Tostadas. Then you can add some lettuce and tomatoes. Finish with the shredded cheese. if you want, you can add any toppings of your choice, like olives, jalapenos. Here I'm using only jalapenos, tomatoes, and lettuce. And now I'm going to cover this with a small tortilla. Now you can fold the edges of the large flour tortilla over the smaller tortilla, then flip it upside down. Once it's folded, it should be in a hexagon shape. Similar way, you can repeat with the remaining tortillas and filling. Heat a skillet, you can add butter or oil, and you can place the folded tortilla with the same side down onto the heated pan. You can place something heavy on top of the tortilla. I used my spoon rest. The tortilla toast for about 2 to 3 minutes until brown of your liking, and then you can flip it over and place the heavy object back on top and toast it for additional 2 to 3 minutes. Now our Crunchwrap is ready. You can transfer to a plate. Similar way, you can make all the Crunchwraps. Then you can cut it into half and then serve. This Copycat Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supremes are delicious, and it's very easy to make at home, and it's better than the original. You must try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.